Hi everyone, long time no see. Today I will show you how to make this adorable egg holder out of cardstock. It's so easy to make, so I think you should try it. The first thing is, go to the svgocean and download this file. Then, open it in a CRICUT design space. For this project you will need colored cardboard, glue stick, and a CRICUT tools. Cut off the piece of a cardboard you need with your scissors. Then, cut out the shape with your CRICUT. Repeat this process with all colors. I recommend you to take a medium thick cardboard for the body, because the lower part must withstand the weight of a chocolate egg. Now, let's start joining the parts. Apply glue and fix it with the top part. Glue the muzzle part, nose, and eyes. Fold the cardboard along the lines. Apply glue on the one side and connect it to the front part. Repeat on the other side. Connect the antlers with glue and fix their position. Insert your favorite chocolate egg in a holder, and it's done! Deck out your house with this adorable decoration and set your Christmas mood. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumb up if you like this video. See you in the next craft projects. Bye!